Hello YouTube, this is Titan's Missus and this is an update on how I'm feeling. The past 2 days I've been feeling very depressed, crying a lot, just generally feeling really low, and so I thought I'd do a video of my beautiful African grey Billy. This is Billy. This is my beautiful African grey. This is the bird that you always see doing stuff in the background on my videos of me stimming with my headphones on. This is the bird that you can see that's in the cage playing around. This is Billy. She's a Congo African grey, as you can see from the beautiful red tail she's got here. And this spreads out to become like a fan. I don't know if you see it very well on the camera, but it looks absolutely beautiful. She lies on her back. These are the tricks that she can do. She can lie on her back, lie on your back, lie on your back. Yep. She doesn't want to. Let's see if I can get her to do it again. Oh nice. She just makes that weird noise when she doesn't want to. There you go. She's lying on her back on my hand. Nice and flat on my hand. There you go. She talks. She says hello, and she says, "Hello Elaine, how are you?" And she's got beautiful wings. She's just grabbing her wings in, as you can see. She doesn't like me spreading her wings though. She's not overly keen on it. And this is a good wing. This is a nice, see a nice wingspan here. This is her wings. As you can see, they're still growing in. And she likes to tickle under her wings, and she loves that. She helps me feel better, Billy, when I'm feeling depressed. And a nice close up of her. There's a nice little face, and there's her eye, and as you can see her eye will move in and out, because that's how parrots show emotion. As you can see, I keep her beak pretty trim. If I just get over her head and show you the beak, and just show you the beak there. You've got to keep the beak trim, because if you don't keep the beak trim, hey! She's just bit my finger. She's a little bugger, but I love her. Love her to bits. Yeah, she's just bit my finger and hurt on video. But she helps me feel better when I'm feeling down. She likes to look in my mouth and see what's in there, but there's nothing in there, Billy. Her name's Billy, spelled B-I-L-L-I-E. As in Billie Jean, Michael Jackson, because I'm a fan of Michael Jackson. And she keeps me company, don't you? You do, you keep me company, don't you? She loves Titan. She likes to sit and watch Titan when I put him on the videos. She loves to watch Titan, don't you? Yes, you do. You love to watch Titan. Yeah, she'll love your dad. Titan's like her dad, with me being his fiance. So there you go, there's a nice close-up of Billy, of a wing. There's a nice head, and it's a real parrot. For anybody who doubts if this is real, it is a real parrot. It bit me before. So this is Billy, and I hope you enjoy watching the video of her, and I hope you enjoy it. So you ready, Billy? Go bam! Good girl. And that's Billy, and she likes to sing. She also likes to sleep, and she goes, yeah! So that's Billy. She hurts when she bites, so it's ouch, ouch. But she's lovely. I love her to bits, my baby. And now just go and get my other bird, so I'll just pop Billy back in a cage, which is over here. As you can see the door here. Put Billy back in a cage. That's the African grey. And then I've got a cocktail. Come here. Stop kissing. Come on. I'll show you to the world. This is my cockatiel. This is Chico. He's only a baby, and as you can see, I clip his wings. Making sure you do a very good job when you clip the wings, because if you don't, you can hurt the bird. And as you can see, I've done pretty much a professional job on the wings. It's that when he's closed his wings, you can't really notice that I've clipped them that much unless you really look. You've just got to not go up here, because if you go up here, you're going to hurt the bird. So don't clip this part of the wing. Leave those secondary feathers alone. Just leave those alone. These ones here for primaries, and the secondaries. You put the secondaries, but you've got to be very careful about it. So there's Chico. That's Chico's cute little face, and as you can see, he's got nice bright orange cheeks. That's hence the name Chico, which is like a nice Latin name as well. And he's got a lovely big crest. He doesn't like me pulling his crest up, but you can see he's got a lovely crest. And that's my beautiful cockatiel, Chico. Say hello, Cheeks. Say hello, Cheeks. Say hello, Cheeks. He's a little character, aren't you? That's my little cockatiel, Chico. And I hope you enjoy watching these videos of my two birds. I thought I'd do a nice video for a change. Nice little blog about my pets.